It's hot as a bitch out here. Oh no. Automatic. Let's see Matic on this chart. Oh, this is ugly. That shit could easily hit down here. Make me a box. Forgot how to make me a box. Oh, daily, look at that. That's way too high. It's like these levels. Then it started dipping. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dang, that cross diamond called it perfectly. Four-hour chart, we're coming down. Let me zoom in. Seems like 61 was the resistance. No, Solana's gonna see 20 before we see 60. I'll go over in a sec. Solana. Well, first of all, you want to go over Bitcoin. Fucking hell. It's hard to even look at a chart because it's just at least a 4-hour, maybe a 1-hour chart will be better. Okay, this is more doable. Alright, here we go. Yeah, 1 hour. It looks like we're probably gonna make a bounce back here. We're probably just gonna keep going to this range. This 19. Just keep going here, and then around this 21.8, I think it is, or 7. I think we're just gonna keep bouncing back and forth here. I really don't see, we're not gonna see, Bitcoin up here anytime soon. I don't think we're gonna go past 1700, at least not anywhere anytime soon. 1 hour chart, it's oversold. 4 hour chart, it's overbought. Hopefully, I want to see us to come down, right back down here. If you look at Sol, it moves the same way. Where do I have my line set up? Yeah, Sol way overbought on the 4 hour. It's still holding up the moving averages though. But we're definitely going to come back and retest 34 and then 27. Yeah, actually it might not get lower than 27. You saw it hit 25 or the low 20s. When was that? I thought it hit 22 before. Oh, these are 4 hour wicks though. The 1 hour might be a different story. Yeah, the 1 hour only saw 25. Yeah, I think 25, 26 is our bottom. And it's actually in a nice trend right now. Uptrend. But we will see 25 before we see 60. Or even 50s, honestly, at that. I think the best move right now is to switch Solana into USDC. Really, a lot of people just like to put in NFTs because it's just more fun. I mean, I don't know if you're trying to make money or what. I honestly just only do NFTs like for fun, really. I don't make anything really off NFTs. Crypto's where it's at. That's how you make money. This whole Solana BS, no. Making one, I mean, okay, like even before obviously it was harder to make one Sol. Well, actually, no. Honestly, the NFT market, it's still the same thing. You see projects, you might make a couple Sol profit. It used to be the same even when Solana was at 100. So, it's just, you're just not making as much profits now. Which is sad because you make one Sol profit, 30, 40 bucks, like, it's not even worth your time. If you go and play the crypto market, it's super easy. You just go on KuCoin. KuCoin, you don't even have to KYC. And you get 5 times the leverage, which is perfect. Because one time, like, shorting like you would a stock or shorting like a crypto, normally, it's, you could short like, say, if you short Bitcoin, it's going to be really hard to make 5%, maybe 10. If you short Solana or like, long Solana, sure, you can make, maybe 20, 30% if the market's very volatile. But you put that which is, still decent returns. But, come on. If you're in the NFT market, like, you're a degenerate to a extent. So you don't want to make, 10, 20% gains. You put that leverage on, like, yeah, here, I mean, I'm down like 11% on Bitcoin, which is really like 2%. Here I'm even. Here SNX 63%. Well, really, The short is up 12%, like 12.5%. I mean, if I would have made 12.5%, like that's cool and all, but come on. You slap on that 5 times leverage where it's like, it's a little more risk, yes, but also it makes it worth your while. Selling or flipping an NFT for 1 or 2 SOL, it's not worth your while. Like, sure, you know, that might be, depending on what you minted it for, that might be a 50% or 100% gain, but, you know, you had to put in work on that project. You gotta learn about the project, you gotta learn about the founders, and then you take a risk about getting rugged. There's just so many, you have to put so much time and so much effort into looking at a project. Unless you just like blindly follow certain people's calls, then okay, maybe it's worth it. But crypto, you know, all you gotta do is just read the charts. I mean, sure, there are those days where, damn, it's hot. There are those days where it is very volatile and you can't rely on technical analysis. But for the most part, dude, technical analysis, it's super easy. Whatever, there's tons of people right now. Okay, this is not a good chart to look at. There is a lot of people right now. Let me fix this. Who, as you can see right here, like it hits like 21.6. It hit it once. Here you could kind of, if I had my VP, I don't have it. I ran out of Trading View Pro. But if I did, it would show, you know, there's probably a lot of volume like here in this range, and also in this 2019, high 19 range. And I'm sure there was a lot down here, obviously, since it didn't get past, you know, 1800. I mean, 1,000. Yeah, all you gotta do is just, you know, you see these supports and resistance. Like, you don't even have to really follow trends. Like, there's a guy called Frankie Candles. He's like one of BitBoy Crypto's technical analysis guys. But you know, you could follow these trends, moving averages. You don't even have to do that. Just, you know, just look at support and resistance. Like, okay, once it gets up here, it peaks down. You saw it do it once. You saw it do it twice right here. So obviously that's resistance. So, you know, this is going to come down, you know. I mean, don't get in a short right now, because if you see, it does the same thing. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Pullback, pullback. Well, these are mini pullbacks. This is a bigger pullback. But if you see these wicks right here, see another wick right here, it seems this is a perfect opportunity to go long at 20, is that 20,700. So once it hits here, it's probably going to bounce right back up to, yeah, go 1,000 up more. Sure, that's only, is that, it's not even 1%. Yeah, it's like 0.5%. But what I'm getting at is Bitcoin kind of follows the whole market. Well, leads the whole market. So if you want to do the same thing for Solana, wait till it gets back to 34. Boom. Because it's going to come back. This, it's not going to drop. It's probably going to do the same thing as Bitcoin, you know. It's probably going to come down. The only thing is, though, it's going to come down a little harder because, of course, you know, lower market cap. It's an altcoin. So, you know, this will probably drop right here. You can see kind of these wicks. This is a support and resistance around 38. It's probably going to drop down to 38. Boom. That's when you can see, is it going to hold 38 or 37, or is it going to drop back down to 34? That's when you gotta make your play and kind of watch Bitcoin, you know, kind of watch the whole market in general. And then once it comes down to 38, boom, long it back up to 40 or even 42. And see, that's worth it. That's a 10%. You know, that's a 8 to 10% gain. And if you go on KuCoin, do 5 times leverage, boom, that's a 50% gain. And all you had to do was just play support and resistance. You didn't have to look into the project. You didn't have to look into Solana, a good project. No, you know, the top 10 coins, they're all good projects. Well, I mean, Luna kind of crept into the top 10, so there are those little outliers, but we've never seen anything like Luna ever happen before. So for the most part, you're 95% safe with the top 10. Once you get into altcoins, those are tricky. Like let's pick one of these altcoins I'm in right now. I have no clue what this is. ARPA. ARPA. And just like NFTs, you know, people like being degenerates. Altcoins are where the real degenerates are, because altcoins can go, I mean, I guess degen mints on NFTs can go to 0 too, but altcoins, sure, they can go to 0, but also they could boom. So you can make 1,000% gain, or you know, take 100% loss. You know, that win to loss ratio, or that risk to reward ratio is way better than NFTs, man. This is a 1 hour chart. Okay, this came out of nowhere. Let's see, one day. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I have no clue where this big buy came from. This was actually why I wanted to short it, because, dude, something like this is ridiculous. Like, I think it was up like 30% in one day, and my degen plays, what I like to do is actually, I'm gonna scout one out right now. I like to go on here, you see Bitcoin, it's flat, you know? Heck, BSB, 0% change, like literally, these are all flat. So that means, what's moving? YFI, I thought I had a short on that. I think I was thinking about it, but I never got into it. Oh yeah, I didn't like it because this thing was booming. You never wanna like get in here, like it's always risky. This is a 1 hour chart. You know, the last one I was looking at was a daily chart. So this is a daily chart. So you know, that's a whole day's worth. Turn to the 1 hour chart. It doesn't look as risky, you see? Well, that's because this is fucking negative. I forgot when I got in. I think it was like right here, because you never want to get in on big bars. You want to wait for it to flatten out and then kind of make your decision, like, do you think it's going to keep going, or do you think it's going to go down? And my bet was, you know, it's going to go down, and now it's consolidating. Yeah, these are degen plays. Like, what I did with that was a degen play. I don't recommend that. Same thing, I'm actually going to get into one right now. Let's see. Comp is up. GMT is at 87. Let's see. Go to comp. Ooh. I'm going to get in here and put a stop loss at 51.5. And I'm gonna hope I can get 56. Because this is going up while Bitcoin's like flat. So if Bitcoin keeps going down, or it goes down a little, but then again, I think Bitcoin's going to turn around soon. So that's why I want to put a hard gap on this. What is it right here? 40. I'm going to put 46.1. Oh wait, that's not a good take. Well, you know, I'm only gonna take 20% or 25% off the table. See, if I was taking 100% off the table, okay, you know, that'd be a good risk reward. I'm gonna take 25 off at 1. Dang, I forgot you can't. Because I don't want to take it all off the table, but I guess it's an all or nothing type thing. Well, that sucks. Well, if it's all or nothing type take profit, then I want 44.5. that's not a good risk reward. There we go. We'll keep it tight. What is RVN? Oh, see, nope, I'm not getting in on that. Nope. No. Let's see the 15 minute. Is it consolidating? Nope. Came back. Found a nice little support there. Staying away from that. Oh, this is in an uptrend. Yeah, too risky. Let's see what Zill's doing. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is a nice chart. It looks like an uptrend, but also this looks like if I could make a box like from here to here, like this area is major support and resistance. Alright, it's a Degen play. I want my take profit at 0.45, 0.57. Zero 0507 0.45. Oh, it hasn't closed yet. It's hot as a bean. I'm about to get off here in a sec. Sorry I didn't look at chat. Here we go. Take profit 0.045. Stop loss 0.0507. Alright, that's good. Boom. Alright, I'm about to get off. No one has any